have you ever considered owning a business that can potentially make you millions of dollars? Well, today I'm going to be talking about how you can do just that by owning and operating a laundromat and using technology to help you along the way. You see, laundromats have been a staple in our society for many years, providing people with the convenience of washing and drying their clothes outside their homes. But did you know that owning and operating a laundromat can also be a lucrative business venture? Technology has made it easier to run a successful business, and laundromats are no exception. With the help of technology, it's now easier than ever to turn any laundromat into a $1 million business. And I'll show you guys how to do that. Let's go! Step 1. Research and planning. So the first strategy to owning a $1 million laundromat business is to research and plan. Okay guys, it would make sense that before you dive into a laundromat business, you need to research and then come up with a solid plan in owning and operating a successful laundromat. This includes researching the local market, analyzing the competition, and determining the best location for your laundromat business. Let's say you've done your research and found a great location for your laundromat. Or you went ahead and bought an existing laundromat. So you estimate that it would cost about $500,000 to purchase and renovate the building. You then purchase the necessary equipment and cover your initial expenses. Step 2. Financing. Now that you have a solid plan and estimated costs, it's time to think about financing.
Come on. Hey, can I have 1 minute? Lee, what do you need? You may be my last loan.
There are various ways you can go about doing it. You can use a combination of personal savings, loans from family and friends, or even take out a business loan from a bank. Let's say you decide to take out a business loan of $400,000 with a 5% interest rate over 10 years. Your monthly payments would be around $4,200. By the way guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love it if you can give me a thumbs up, as it will help the YouTube algorithm share my video to more people like yourselves. Alright, now let's move on to the next topic on how to successfully own a $1 million laundromat business. Step 3. The monthly profit. Let's take an example of a laundromat with 50 machines and assume that each machine is used 5 times a day by different customers. This means that about 250 loads of laundry can be done each day. Now, assuming that each load of laundry costs about $4 for washing and $4 for drying, what that means is that each customer would pay $8 for a single load. So, with 250 loads of laundry each day, the laundromat can earn about $2,000 a day. That translates to a weekly revenue of $14,000 and a monthly revenue of $56,000. However, the monthly expenses such as rent, utilities, employee wages, and the loan servicing payments of $4,200 could add up to about $25,000 a month. And after deducting the monthly expenses from the revenue, the monthly profit would be about $31,000. This profit is a good return on investment for a laundromat business. If the laundromat maintains this profit, the yearly profit would be about $372,000. So guys, with proper management and customer service, that laundromat could potentially become a $1 million business. Step 4. Equipment and technology. Okay guys, one of the most important aspects of a laundromat business is the equipment and technology you use. By investing in high quality machines and technology, you can improve the customer experience and streamline your operations. Let's say you invest $100,000 in state-of-the-art machines and technology, including card payment systems, mobile apps, and remote monitoring. By installing just a handful of the state-of-the-art machines, customers can get their laundries done faster, which will reduce wait time and increase customer satisfaction. So, the card payment system will give customers the option to pay with their credit card or debit cards, and you can attract more customers who prefer to use electronic payments instead of cash. By including mobile app services into your laundromat business, you can offer customers the option to book and pay for laundry services through a mobile app. By doing so, you actually provide a convenient and hassle-free experience that modern customers come to expect. It's just like using your bank mobile app. I can't remember the last time I actually went to the bank. because everything is done on my mobile app. That's the same way you should look at it when you actually start a laundromat business. Alright guys, with you having a laundromat mobile app, you can also send promotional offers and discounts to your customers, which helps you attract new customers and retain the existing ones. Furthermore, the remote monitoring feature, from simply installing cameras both inside and outside the premises, can help the business operate more efficiently and allow owners to keep an eye on their equipment and fix any issues promptly. It would also give an added sense of security to your customers who are in the laundromat at any time of the day. This will result in less downtime and a more consistent customer experience. Okay guys, now that we've talked about the state-of-the-art machines that you need in a laundromat, let's say that with this technology investment, the business can increase its customer base by 10%, which translates to an additional 20 customers per day, resulting in an extra $500 in revenue per day or $182,500 annually. With the added revenue, the business can now afford to offer additional services to its customers. For example, they can introduce a wash, ironing, and folding service, or even offer pickup and delivery. These services can further increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to even higher revenue. Step 5. Marketing and advertising. Once your laundromat is up and running, you need to focus on marketing and advertising to attract customers and build your brand. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a targeted social media advertising campaign, as well as local print and radio ads. Or let's say you get to spend $500 per month on Facebook ads, and each customer spends an average of $10 per visit to the laundromat. You would only need to attract 50 new customers per month to cover the cost of the ads. So by reaching out to your target audience with the right message, you can increase foot traffic to your laundromat and ultimately boost your profits. So there you have it guys, the step-by-step process on how to make millions of dollars with owning and operating laundromat businesses while being assisted with technology. By following the steps I just mentioned, you can start your own laundromat business and potentially earn millions of dollars in profit while providing valuable service to your community. Don't forget to do your own research and gather as much information before starting your own business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance education videos. Also, make sure to click the notification bell icon so you can receive an alert each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember to always stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.